Hi guys, Tech James here. So finally we have got some news on the PS Vita firmware 3.70 hack, and yeah, basically there's two new applications which are actually coming out. Team XYZ or Team XYZ are actually making a 3.70 kind of like hack. I believe this works on 3.69 as well, not too sure. And then we've also got TheFlow, who's releasing an application called I think that's Modoru or something like that. It means return in Japanese, and basically what this application is it allows you to downgrade. So if you're on another firmware, you can actually downgrade. We're not too sure how much you can downgrade to, but hopefully we will find out more. So yeah, these things have not been released. This right here is just news, but it's interesting to read. So this actually did come out today, which is really cool. So it says here, if you're stuck on firmware 3.69 or 3.70, keep your eyes peeled because there is a new firmware hack coming out. So it's made by Team Molecule, which is really cool. Apparently it's similar to 3.60, so that's kind of interesting. The 3.67, 3.65, 3.68 hack, they've all been completely different, but apparently this one is like the original 3.67 one, which is through the browser. So I'm kind of excited to see how that works. I will be making videos on this when it is released, and yeah, hopefully it says soon. I reckon they're going to be coming out in March, but we will just have to see what happens. So they actually have a Twitter here, they have a video. If you want to watch it, you can go and check it out. There is actually a screenshot here, so we can see Team XYZ proudly presents the 3.70 Plus exploit. Now it says Plus, maybe it supports future firmwares as well, we're not too sure, but it looks like an exploit chain thing. As I've no idea how this thing works right now. We will have to see when it actually comes out. So right here, they will actually explain how it's done. So in the video, you guys can go and check it out. I don't want to get like a copyright strike or anything. But in the video, which can be seen, they boot up a PS Vita 1000 and it's running at 3.70 in unhackable state. And what they do is they open up the web browser and they launch the exploit from a local server. They actually have like a WebKit similar to firmware 3.60, and then towards the end of the video, Molecule Shell 1.43 is opened, which indicates that some homebrew has already been fixed to function on 3.70. So this is actually really good news. Originally I thought TheFlow was going to do the complete hack, but obviously these guys have got one as well. So is there two hacks coming out? Who knows? That could be really cool. So the people behind this are XYZ, Stark and Davey, who actually made Infinity for the PSP. This is the guy that made Infinity 6.61 for the PSP and PSP Go. So as of right now, there is no mention of release date. I reckon March, but yeah, we will just have to see when it actually comes out. Now, I'm pretty sure it's compatible on both 3.69 and 3.70, and yeah, there will be a hack this year, 100%. So yeah, you don't really have to worry that much longer. And here is the other homebrew utility, Modoru or Return, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, this is just like a downgrade software. We've actually got a screenshot of it here, so we definitely know this is being developed. And I believe this is for like 3.68 PS Vitas, which are already running. So maybe, okay, so yes, it says here, it lets you downgrade to firmware 3.67, 3.68 to 3.60 or 5. Not really something I'd want to use. I guess you can get permanent h-encore with it, but I really don't mind booting it up every time. I mean, I'll probably make a video on it if it does come out, but it's not something that's like, you know, completely necessary. But yeah, it will let you downgrade, which is actually quite cool, so maybe you can do some stuff. And yeah, so this is the news. I will leave a link to this website in the description if you want to read it yourself, but I just wanted to make a quick video because you guys ask this comment on every single video I release. The PS Vita is probably one of the most popular topics I cover on my channel. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.